In today's video, I'll show you how to open PNG files on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. Then what you can do is just go to the image and just right click on it and then just go to open with, then just click on paint. This is going to open your image in the paint software of Windows 11. But if that's not what you want and you want any photo viewer app to open your photo, what you have to do is just close this. Then just go to your search and search for default apps. Then just open up default apps from the best match. Then from here, just scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Just go all the way down. And under related settings, you'll find choose defaults by file type. Just click on that. Here, you'll find a search bar. Here, just search for .png file extension. And you're going to find .png from here. Make sure to click on it and select the photo viewing app you want to open your photos with. You have the Windows 11 photo viewing app over here. If you have more third-party software, you can select those if you want. I'm going to select the Windows 11 Photos app and click on Set Default. Then I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to go ahead and open the photo app. And as you can see, Windows 11 Photos app is opening the picture.png file for me. And you can close this. But if it's still not working for you, and if the PNG file is still not opening for you, what you can do is just go to search and search for settings again. From the best matches, just open up settings. Then from the left-hand menu, just go inside apps. Then just go inside installed apps. Inside installed apps, you can search for photos or just search here for photos. And you'll find the photos software. From here, just click on the three dot icon, which is the more option icon. From here, just go to the advanced options. From here, just scroll down a bit and you'll find an option called terminate. Just click on this. This will terminate the app and its related processes immediately. And after that, under reset, you can click on repair. If the app is not working, you can repair it. This won't affect the app's data. And after repairing it, what you can do is, if it's still not working, just go ahead and click on reset. This is going to delete the app's data and reset the app for you. Then you can just go ahead and restart your Windows and try to open the file again. And this time, the PNG file should open. And basically, that is how to fix PNG files not opening on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.